normal speeds. Looks like we're pulling over here. Stay in the car! 33's got an axe coming towards me.
Get out. Get out. Do it. Fucking kill me, bro.
Stop!
Pull it out.
Stop!
Kill me.
Get on the ground! Do it now!
Fucking kill me.
33 coming at me. Stop!
You don't have to kill me, dog. I didn't do nothing. You don't have to kill me, bro. I wanted to just work in this city.
33 shots fired.
Finish it! Finish it! Finish it!
Get on the ground! Drop the axe! Drop the axe! Drop it now! Drop it! Drop the axe! Get back! Get back! Back off! I'm going to the passenger side. I'm good right now. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Just hold till we get more.
Let's get up and clear the van.
Okay. Should we wait till we get one more?
Surrender aid on him.
Yes. Yes.
Stay down. Don't move, bro.
33 van has not been cleared. Sean, van has not been cleared.
No, Sean. Go up to the squad. Go and clear that van with him. I'm gonna deal with that.
Let's get the axe away from him first. You got anyone in there, Sean? Good in front. Can't get this door open. Oh. 33 van is clear. We are going to be on the northbound ramp. It's going to be northbound from 63 to 52, just south of the ramp.
You alright, buddy? You alright? Stand over here. You alright?
Stop!
You don't have to kill me, dog. I didn't do nothing. You don't have to kill me, bro. I wanted to just work in this city.
33 shots fired.
Finish it! Finish it! Finish it!